All right, today we're working on a 2006 Dodge Ram with a Cummins engine. And this, like many other diesel trucks, have some pretty heavy duty battery cables here. And they've got multiple leads going to them. And obviously we've got multiple batteries on this particular truck. And one common issue is that this battery bolt might break, or if you're going to service this, one of the leads might snap off. Well, what do you do? For many years, one of the only options has been to replace the entire cables. Well, we've got this handy little pack here which has the repair kit. And so it's got the stud with threads on both sides as well as numerous nuts. So what we're going to do, and it's not broken on this particular truck yet, but before it does, I'm just going to illustrate the repair opportunity here. So we can remove the nuts off of both sides of this, or actually even just one side. We got the one kind of loosened up there. Also, we'll continue to remove the nuts off here so I can get the leads all the way off. And then we will slide the stud all the way out. So we've got that off there. Get the nut off the opposite side here. So make sure you use a ratcheting wrench. So now I'll take my wrench and kind of work the stud back and forth. In some cases I might end up getting a vice grips to really move this around, and I'm going to force it back out of here. So let me force this out and then we'll pick up with the installation. Okay, so we've got this bolt out with just a little bit of twisting and some prying with channel locks here. But you can see how this thing was severely corroded in the middle here, not really that far away from breaking. So even if you don't have a broken bolt yet, anytime you're doing a battery service, whether it be cleaning the terminals, replacing the battery, etc., it's a great opportunity to just take one of these new bolt kits and, simply replace it. So we're going to install the new stud in there. We're going to install the nut on this side, which will provide the clamping force to tighten the battery cable down here. And then we're going to put our additional auxiliary lead here with an additional nut to hold it in place. And so our kit came as a 2-pack, and so we've got the opportunity to do it up for the other terminal on this battery. And then of course we're going to grab another kit and do the battery on the opposite side of the vehicle. Well, hopefully now you understand the benefits of simply replacing this stud and servicing this rather than waiting until it got too bad and having to replace the entire cable assembly.